Hey guys, I'm not sure if y'all are aware of Nike by You. It is an actual program where you can actually create your own shoe. So I was given the opportunity. It's actually like my third or fourth time given the opportunity to make my own shoe, and this time I decided to take it. I got the idea off of the internet, so I took it and I ran with it. So I decided to make my own shoe. Um, Guys, let me know what you think. Again, this is Nike by You, so it is a official basic Nike. This time they had the Dunk. They have different type of shoes that you can make. This is the basic Nike Dunk, and you can pick the texture, you can pick the leather, the different type of patterns, the shoestrings. So I decided to go ahead and make my own orange lobster, guys. It's not exact, but it's close enough, guys. So let me know what you think. Like I said, I got this idea off the internet, and I thought it was a pretty dope idea. So now I don't have to wear my orange lobsters. So I would say that it is actually, I say it's actually 85%. 85% on point. So at the naked eye, guys, let me know if y'all see, which of course like is a few difference uh, in the material and the color blocking, because there's only certain colors that you can get. But guys, let me know what you think about what I made here. And if you're not familiar with the lobster, again guys, if you are not familiar with the orange lobster, this is the actual orange lobster. I did a previous video, a collaboration video. This is not my size. This is actually a bigger size, so that's why it looks, but I just wanted to show you what the actual shoe looks like. And like I said, it's I would say roughly 85%, besides the pattern that I was not able to get in the shoe, and the double layered white version around the Nike check, and as you know guys, as well as the speckles around the shoe. So I got it as close as I could. So guys, let me know what you think. I got it as close as I could. So let me know what you think, guys. Do you think it was a great idea? Do you think it was a waste of a creation for Nike by You? Or I mean, I actually like it. I actually like it. It did take them roughly 3 weeks to actually complete the pattern, because they basically took a Nike Dunk from scratch and created the shoe based on the patterns, the color blocking that I picked, and the materials from leather to suede to nubuck. It's actually a dope thing to do. So they actually send you the box that states Nike by You, and on the color blocking it just says Nike by whatever your original name is, or whatever your name is that you want to call it. So basically this is just basically your shoe. So I just wanted to show y'all that, guys, because like I said, I ordered the shoe June the 1st, and I just received the shoe. So let me know how different, or just if you just have a quick glance at the shoe, what do you think? Can you notice off top, or you know just let me know what you think. And guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you, like I said, even when I did the collab with Nino Fashion State of Mind, I spoke to you guys about wanting to get more into the Bearbrick community. It's like Japanese Bearbricks, and lately I've been trying to build up my collection, so I just want to do like a few unboxing. I save these unboxings to do on the channel. And guys, just let me know what you think. And if you're not familiar with Bearbricks, we'll get more in depth about that, but I wanted to open up these Bearbricks and just show you a little bit of extra stuff that I had going on in the mix of just collecting sneakers as well. So I just wanted y'all to be a part of that. I was going to open up these actual Bearbricks. So let's go. Alright guys, here we go. These are the 100% Bearbricks. These right here are the latest Bearbricks that are out, and they're called Series 45. Roughly in probably I say a month or so, the Series 46 will be dropping in Japan. So I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on those. But I will be having more Bearbrick unboxings on the channel, just in case you're interested in it, guys. So let's go ahead and open the first Bearbrick. This is the most common one to date, and these two are roughly bricks that were released a year back, a couple years back. And these bricks, they usually go for like $30 a brick. These go for like 25, and you know, these roughly go for 20. These are the latest bricks. So I have a few cases coming in, but it will be exciting to see, because they have what you call secrets, they have variants, they have patterns, and it's just pretty much a chase, like a catch to see. Like they have certain percentages that the Bearbricks drop in the actual bundle case. So it actually comes with a card, and I'll show you the card, guys, that they come with. It actually comes with a card that describes the different type of Bearbricks that they have. And on the case, I'll show you the case up close, and they show the percentages on the case of what you can get inside of the Bearbrick and the percentages you have to drop in an actual case. So let's open this one up. See what we got. Like I said, it's always a chase to see if you get a common Bearbrick, a basic Bearbrick, a pattern, just a different series, depending on some Bearbricks. $180 in here. Some Bearbricks $120. Some of them are worth $50. Some of them are worth $30. So it's just the chase of trying to find just the most worthy Bearbrick. So yeah. Alright, so this is a basic Bearbrick. It is a jelly bean. So not what we was hoping for, but this is considered a jelly bean. I'll give you some close pictures, and I'll show you, because I actually have some cards, but this is the card pattern that goes to the jelly bean. So let's put that to the side. That's not what we was hoping for. Alright, here we go. Wow. 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 Guys, this pull right here, all I can say is wow. If I'm not mistaken, this is a secret. This is a secret. I was not expecting this. Was not. So I will look up the value of this and have it on the screen below. Wow. Okay, 1 out of 2. This is probably, this is not even on here. So this is probably a less than 1% pull. So basically that means like you probably had to go through 3 cases of 24. So that's 72 Bearbricks in order to pull this one particular Bearbrick. Wow. Okay, this is a Series 43 Bearbrick. A Series 43 Bearbrick. Oh my god, I'm tearing the box up. Most people use a knife to open it. super excited. I'm super excited. What? Oh my God. This is crazy. This is another secret. This is crazy. This, wow, guys. This is this the Cobra Kai? Miyagi do karate. Maybe this not a secret. Again, I will have the description below because like I said, guys, I just started getting into the Bearbricks. Yeah, this has to be the secret because it is not, the pull is not on this box right here. So this has to be a secret. I have more information on that, guys. Wow. Okay, next one. Guys, if you have any information on these Bearbricks, be sure to leave the comment below. Oh my God, I'm tearing up the box. Yeah, I'm tearing up the box. Man, that's 2 out of 3. I just know for a fact that those two, I know for a fact that the second one, no, that's 2 out of, yeah, 2 out of 3. Guys, I kind of suck at this because, like I said, I don't know too much about the Bearbricks, but I do know from watching people auction off the bricks, I do know that those two that I stated are actually good bricks. When I say good bricks, I mean almost worth 100. Okay, this is yeah, I think this is the basic. I think this is the basic Care Bear. Let me see if it's on this box. It's not on this box, guys. Wow. We'll see with card as well. We'll see, guys. Wow. Starting off right. Like I said, I have the description in here stating the type of bricks and the speciality of the actual bricks. Because like I said, I'm new to this. So this is one of the older series. This is a series 42. Like I said, these are, even if you try to buy singles, they're more like $30 to $35 a piece for the single series 42. Alright, let's see. Card. Trying not to rip the plastic. So this is a basic R. You spell Bearbrick. This is the basic R. So I think this is a basic, just a basic letter. Nothing too special about them. I like how it has that marble look to them. It has that marble look. So again, like I said, I'll do some research on them. Wow. Again, guys, hopefully in the future when I drop more Bearbrick unboxings, I will have more information on them. Like I said, I just started getting into the Bearbricks. But I do know the one Bearbrick that is my grail that I really want is the Mean Chucky, and that concept Bearbrick for the lobsters, guys. Alright, guys, thank y'all for watching my few pickups that I have, as well as my 5 Bearbrick unboxing.